Hi everyone, Sean here. As you may be aware, when I create new videos for questions in Enthuware, I send off the links to Enthuware so that they can update their question banks with those YouTube links. So I do this on a regular basis, but they don't force an update on the people who use the tool. So I wanted to do now is to show you how you can check to see have you got the latest set of questions with my links in them. So you go up here to Tools, then go down to Check for Question Bank Update, and you'll see here that the latest is 1/107 and I'm using 1/106. Note that this is the release number for the Java 8 OCA question bank, 1Z0808, and that if you're using a different question bank, it'll likely be different. Do you want to update it now? I'll say yes. It downloads the file and then I have to restart the viewer. So I've restarted the viewer now and I go to check for question bank update. And there you can see now I have the latest one, 1/107. It's as simple as that.